Question 21. Renee buys 5 kilograms of sweets to sell. She pays £10 for the sweets. Renee puts all the sweets into bags. She puts 250 grams of sweets into each bag. She sells each bag of sweets for 65p. Renee sells all the bags of sweets. Work out her percentage profit. Now there's 4 marks for this question. The first thing this question is checking if you want to get full marks is how you determine percentage profit. And percentage profit is worked out by your profit or your loss, depending on which way you go. In this case it's going to be profit because the question tells us it will be profit. So it's her profit divided by the original cost. So it's a profit divided by the original cost times 100. Now we know she sells each one of these bags for 65p. So we could work out the total amount she sells all of the bags for, or we could work out what one of the bags cost, and I think I'm going to do it that way. So 5 kilograms is costing £10. I want to know how much 250 grams has cost me, so I compare it with this 65p. 1 kilogram, so dividing by 5, will be £2. And what I'm interested in is 250 grams. Another fact this question is checking is that you know there's 1,000 grams in a kilogram, so there's 4 lots of 250 grams in a kilo. £2 divided by 4 is 50p. So each single bag costs 50p, and she'd sold them for 65p. So her percentage profit is going to be 65 minus 50, because that was what she paid for them, that's what she sold them for, divided by 50 times 100. So 65 take 50 is 15, divided by 50 times 100. Don't worry too much when you see this type of sum. Just realize if you're dividing by 50 and timesing by 100, these will cancel. So 150 is 50, and there are 2 50s in 100. 15 times 2, she's made 30% profit. Again, think about this one. 15 out of 50 as a percentage will be 30 out of 100. That's another way of looking at it. You could also have worked out how much all of the sweets were. So you did 65 times what would be 20, I think, because 250 grams make a kilo, and then 5 kilos. You would get the same answer. Don't forget, please subscribe if you're finding these videos useful.